Hello everyone, welcome back to English Runway. Today, we're diving into 150 essential English phrases you need at the airport to speak and understand like a native. I'll read slowly, then you just listen and practice speaking along with me. Ready? Let's go. Where is the check-in counter? Where is the check-in counter? I would like to check in for my flight. I would like to check in for my flight. Can I see your passport, please? Can I see your passport, please? Do you need my ticket or just my passport? Do you need my ticket or just my passport? Is this the line for international flights? Is this the line for international flights? How many bags can I check in? How many bags can I check in? Is there an extra fee for this luggage? Is there an extra fee for this luggage? Can I keep this bag as carry-on? Can I keep this bag as carry-on? Is my bag too heavy? Is my bag too heavy? Does my bag need a tag? Does my bag need a tag? Is the flight on time? Is the flight on time? Where can I find the departure board? Where can I find the departure board? Which gate is my flight leaving from? Which gate is my flight leaving from? Where is the security check? Where is the security check? Do I need to remove my shoes? Do I need to remove my shoes? Should I take out my laptop? Should I take out my laptop? Are liquids allowed through security? Are liquids allowed through security? Can I bring food on the plane? Can I bring food on the plane? What should I put in the tray? What should I put in the tray? Is this the line for security screening? Is this the line for security screening? My flight is boarding soon. Can I go ahead? My flight is boarding soon. Can I go ahead? Where is immigration? Where is immigration? What is the purpose of your trip? What is the purpose of your trip? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? Are you traveling alone? Are you traveling alone? Can you show me your return ticket? Can you show me your return ticket? Do you have anything to declare? Do you have anything to declare? Where is the customs counter? Where is the customs counter? Do I need to fill out any forms? Do I need to fill out any forms? Where can I get an arrival card? Where can I get an arrival card? Where is the baggage drop area? Where is the baggage drop area? Can I upgrade my seat? Can I upgrade my seat? Are there any window seats available? Are there any window seats available? Can I choose my seat now? Can I choose my seat now? Do you have priority boarding? Do you have priority boarding? Where do I wait for boarding? Where do I wait for boarding? Is the gate far from here? Is the gate far from here? When does boarding start? When does boarding start? Which group am I in? Which group am I in? Do I need to line up now? Do I need to line up now? Is boarding open yet? Is boarding open yet? Has the gate number changed? Has the gate number changed? When will you call the next boarding group? When will you call the next boarding group? Can I board with my family? Can I board with my family? Is this the line for priority passengers? Is this the line for priority passengers? Can I take this item on board? Can I take this item on board? Is this bag too big for the cabin? Is this bag too big for the cabin? Do I need to check this bag at the gate? Do I need to check this bag at the gate? Can you help me scan my boarding pass? Can you help me scan my boarding pass? I lost my boarding pass. Can you reprint it? I lost my boarding pass. Can you reprint it? Where is seat 27A? Where is seat 27A? Can I store my bag in the overhead bin? Can I store my bag in the overhead bin? Is it okay to put this under the seat? Is it okay to put this under the seat? Can I switch seats with someone? Can I switch seats with someone? Are there empty seats available? Are there empty seats available? Can I get a blanket? Can I get a blanket? Do you have headphones available? Do you have headphones available? Can I get a cup of water? Can I get a cup of water? Do you offer snacks? Do you offer snacks? Are there vegetarian options? Are there vegetarian options? Can I buy food on board? Can I buy food on board? Is Wi-Fi available on this flight? Is Wi-Fi available on this flight? How much is the Wi-Fi? How much is the Wi-Fi? When can I use my phone? When can I use my phone? Is it safe to recline my seat now? Is it safe to recline my seat now? Can I use the restroom now? Can I use the restroom now? Is the restroom occupied? Is the restroom occupied? Will there be turbulence? Will there be turbulence? When will we land? When will we land? Can you help me with the seatbelt? Can you help me with the seatbelt? Can I borrow a pen? Can I borrow a pen? How do I fill out this form? How do I fill out this form? Do I need to declare medicine? Do I need to declare medicine? Is this liquid allowed? Is this liquid allowed? Do I need to sign here? Do I need to sign here? Where do I submit this form? Where do I submit this form? Is this my arrival card? Is this my arrival card? Where should I write my address? Where should I write my address? Do I need to keep this form? Do I need to keep this form? What is this question asking? What is this question asking? Which carousel is my luggage on? Which carousel is my luggage on? How long does baggage claim take? How long does baggage claim take? My luggage is missing. What should I do? My luggage is missing. What should I do? My bag is damaged. Who can I talk to? My bag is damaged. Who can I talk to? Is this the lost and found office? Is this the lost and found office? Can you help me file a report? Can you help me file a report? Will you deliver my bag to my hotel? Will you deliver my bag to my hotel? How do I check the status later? How do I check the status later? Do I need any documents for this? Do I need any documents for this? Where is the baggage inquiry desk? Where is the baggage inquiry desk? Where is the exit? Where is the exit? Do I need to go through customs? Do I need to go through customs? Where can I get a taxi? Where can I get a taxi? Is there a shuttle bus to the city? Is there a shuttle bus to the city? Where is the train station? Where is the train station? Where can I buy a SIM card? Where can I buy a SIM card? Is there a mobile counter here? Is there a mobile counter here? Where can I buy a transportation card? Where can I buy a transportation card? Is there a tourist desk around? Is there a tourist desk around? Where do I buy bus tickets? Where do I buy bus tickets? Where is the domestic transfer area? Where is the domestic transfer area? How do I transfer to another flight? How do I transfer to another flight? Do I need to collect my baggage? Do I need to collect my baggage? Where is the connecting flight gate? Where is the connecting flight gate? Do I need to go through security again? Do I need to go through security again? How long do I have between flights? How long do I have between flights? Can I use Fast Track for my transfer? Can I use Fast Track for my transfer? Is my connecting gate far? Is my connecting gate far? Can you guide me to the transfer desk? Can you guide me to the transfer desk? My connection is tight. Can you assist me? My connection is tight. Can you assist me? I think I missed my flight. What can I do? I think I missed my flight. What can I do? Is there another flight today? Is there another flight today? Can I rebook my ticket? Can I rebook my ticket? Is there a rebooking fee? Is there a rebooking fee? Can you put me on the next flight? Can you put me on the next flight? Are there seats left on the next flight? Are there seats left on the next flight? Can I stay on standby? Can I stay on standby? How long is the wait? How long is the wait? Will I get compensation for the delay? Will I get compensation for the delay? Can you give me a meal voucher? Can you give me a meal voucher? Can I get a hotel voucher? Can I get a hotel voucher? Where can I wait during the delay? Where can I wait during the delay? Can I leave the gate and come back later? Can I leave the gate and come back later? Will the gate remain the same? Will the gate remain the same? Can you confirm my flight number? Can you confirm my flight number? When will the updated time be announced? When will the updated time be announced? Where can I charge my phone? Where can I charge my phone? Is there a quiet area to rest? Is there a quiet area to rest? Where can I get food near this gate? Where can I get food near this gate? Do you have information on this flight? Do you have information on this flight? How do I use this self-checking kiosk? How do I use this self-checking kiosk? Can you help me print my boarding pass? Can you help me print my boarding pass? The kiosk is not working. The kiosk is not working. Can I check in with my phone? Can I check in with my phone? Can I scan my passport here? Can I scan my passport here? How do I add baggage to my booking? How do I add baggage to my booking? Can I change my seat at the kiosk? Can I change my seat at the kiosk? Can I upgrade at this machine? Can I upgrade at this machine? What code is it asking for? What code is it asking for? Do I need to talk to staff for this? Do I need to talk to staff for this? Where can I find airport assistance? Where can I find airport assistance? Do you have wheelchair service? Do you have wheelchair service? Can someone guide me to my gate? Can someone guide me to my gate? Is there a help desk nearby? Is there a help desk nearby? Who can I talk to about my booking? Who can I talk to about my booking? I need help with my luggage. I need help with my luggage. Can someone escort me to immigration? Can someone escort me to immigration? Do you have an information hotline? Do you have an information hotline? Where can I buy water? Where can I buy water? I left something on the plane. Who do I contact? I left something on the plane. Who do I contact? All right, we're signing off for today. Catch you in the next episode, and remember to hit subscribe.